yes, you think they are, or yes, you think you can tell me?
Yes, they are, because this right here, and you see another one, should be another corner, and another one, and another one.
Okay. I'm just gonna leave that right where it is.
Nope.
No? How do you know?
1, 2, 3, 4, perfect. But this one doesn't line up to that one.
Okay. What if I do this?
Nope. I was looking at this line going that way, this line going that way. But then it passes us.
So where would that one have to go? Where do you think it has to go to make sure they're all in a straight line?
And you can also see it go like this.
You just stand up over here once.
Look at, can you get down like really low on the floor and look from that one to this one? What do you notice?
What if you kept the, I don't know, I have a question. I want to know if you took this one and you kept it here. You kept that one there and you kept that one there. How can you think through to make that one in a straight line?
Well, because I show you. Ding, 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 ding. But if you actually this one here. Now it's a straight line.
How do you know? Okay. See, now the reason I moved this one before, because you're right, you can see how it goes right across the diagonal of the square, right? I was intentionally trying to make it so it didn't go right across the diagonal. I was trying to make it a little trickier. So I want to go back to this one. So let's go back to that question that Laura just asked. Where does this one have to go to make it on a straight line with those other two? Well, what makes you think that's the right spot?
Is that one saying? And then if you go, and then this one's saying, and then if you go,
So you think you're in a straight line?
Nope.
Okay. Shall we go over there and look again? Like you did before?
It looks pretty straight from here. But we could get a ruler out and check.
Well, how can you prove it using the squares? I mean, you're just using your eyes right now, but can the squares prove it to you? Can you use this? Because before you were going back and forth with the squares.
Right. And that's part of the reason why we chose to put them right where the squares, where the lines cross, is so you could use that.
Last time I saw you go, you started here and then you were doing something. Tell me about that.
How many is that? That's interesting, Jonah.
I think you're onto something. Show me how you count this out.
Yeah, good idea. Good question, Laura. How did you count those over there?
How did you count that out?
What would you call that?
Can you say it out loud what you're doing so we can understand?
I'm just following the lines.
Yeah, but what could you label it? What you're doing? Name it or something? Well,
zigzags.
Okay, count the zigzags then. How many zigzags was that first one?
Count them out loud. I need to hear when it's 1 and when it's 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Are they equal distant?
Nope. Nope. 5.
They're not sticking to our dirty floor very well.
How many is that one? You know what I just saw, Jonah?
How many
Think about the
constructivist
night.
teachers does it take to...
Right? Jonah,
Jonah, you
in
rock.
in chess, is there a move in chess that this is reminding you of?
You play
Yeah.
chess?
Whatever that one called that's right next to the horse.
That's next to the horse or that is the horse?
No.
The bishop? How does the bishop move?
Diagonally.
How does the horse move?
Don't. Horse moves